In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to use Napkin AI on computer. So let's get started. So now if you're on desktop and you'd want to use Napkin AI or even in Mac OS, then you can just go here into napkin.ai on your browser. And from here, you would need to log in into your account if you already have one, or sign up by clicking here on Get Napkin Free by providing your Google account or your email. And then once you're finished logging in or signing up, you should now be prompted here into the dashboard. And then you would automatically open the most recent project that you are working with. But in here, you would be able to see the history of your projects that you have worked on here in Napkin. And then you can just navigate into each one of them right here. Or if you don't have one, you can just click here on New Napkin. And from here, you can draft with AI, import with file, and blank napkin. But the most famous one would be to draft with AI. So I'm just going to go for this one. And then you can now write out a prompt on what text you would like to generate, maybe a script, a guide, or whatever it is. And you have some sample topics that you can use right here. So let's say I'm just going to go for how to eat clean. Resist your urges, maybe something like this one, and clicking continue, and then AI will now write for us, which is from Napkin. As you can see, it's very fast, and what's even better is that you could actually click on these lightning icon right here on this text that you would want to create a graphics with or generate visuals. So as you can see, it's currently loading, and when it's done, it will now be able to give you engaging visuals that you can use to better illustrate your text in here. So it's loading, so let's just wait for a bit. It should not take too long. And as you can see, it is just a stunning graphics right here that is accurate to the text that we have highlighted. So yeah, you can choose these different graphics, and in there, you could choose their different styles of the graphics right there. So yeah, this is the basics on how you could use Napkin AI. You could also highlight this text, and then from here you can use the AI to rephrase this. You could even format the text and so on. You can add a comment. You can even export the graphics if that's what you'd want as PNG, SVG, PDF, PPT, and so on. And then next is that you have the styles in here. So you could also pick out your styles for your visuals. And then this is where you can share it. So you can add someone to work with you here on this napkin project by providing their email and then their permission or anyone with a link. And then you can see the members that is included in this napkin project. And then you could also download this as a PDF. You can go for a single continuous page, A4, US letter, and presentation. Next is that we have the settings. This is also very important. So you could also generate the visuals in auto detect language. So it would be in English by default, or you could go for a specific language right here if you'd want to. And then you also have the page breaks, the page lines, and colors in dark mode. You can go for normal or inverted, depending on what you'd want. And yeah, that is basically it. And then the last thing would be this one. So you could go for your account settings, go for light or dark mode here in Napkin, depending on your choice. So yeah, this is the basic on how you could use Napkin AI on your computer. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.